minus $20,000 loss last trading week in commodities and futures trading based on CFTC report. Hello and welcome to Insider Week. My name is Max Schultz, and in this video I am going to show you all my trades from the last trading week. So let's start with risk disclaimer. Here you can see my CFTC trading account. The account size is $1 million. So I had here all-time high 5 weeks ago, and since then my account went in a drawdown of 5%. This was my watch list for CFTC trading strategy. Here we go. I started in the last trading week with 2 positions in my portfolio. I finished the week with 1 position, with 1 new position in my portfolio. I'm 6 contracts short in wheat. 2 open positions from the last week in crude oil and Nasdaq E-mini. I closed with a loss of $35,500. We start with crude oil. I traded here based on CFTC data. I got CFTC buy signal on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, I decided to trade uptrend on daily chart. Here you can see the uptrend. I made 2 trades, and in both trades I was stopped out, but the stop was placed based on CFTC trading strategy rules. Therefore, this is the loss what was produced by the strategy and not by mistakes. With the last trade in crude oil, I made a loss of $20,100. Next trade, Nasdaq E-mini. So here you can see strong up weekly trend. On daily trend also uptrend. So I opened here a long position in direction of uptrend, and I was stopped out 2 weeks later with a loss of $15,400. Next trade wheat. So I have here sell signal based on CFTC data analysis in direction of weekly trend. On daily trend we have also downtrend. I made already here a short trade. I was successful. I made a profit. And then the market made a correction, and I used this correction to open here a short position again in direction of downward weekly and daily trend. The position is still open. I'm waiting for my price target. In other markets from the watch list, I didn't do any trades. The reasons are the same all the time. I didn't got my entry pattern. Market went in other direction. The correction was too deep and so on. So, or here the market went sideways, so, and or we didn't get a trend change I waited for. So let's have a look at startup trading account. The account size is $30,000. I trade this account to support traders with small account, to show how to trade a small account in terms of risk money management. So I had here 2 open positions in micro Nasdaq E-mini and micro crude oil. I was stopped out by both positions with a loss of $1,586. Next trading strategy is CFTC trading strategy. I trade this trading strategy to diversify my portfolio. So I made with this trading strategy $15,308 plus, and this profit diversified my loss of CFTC trading strategy. This is my way how to diversify my portfolio. It makes my equity curve for my all accounts smoother and decrease my drawdown. This is the reason why I trade 2 trading strategies, CFTC and CFTC. So here you can see I started in the last trading week with 1 open position. I was 8 contracts long in platinum, and I finished the week with a new position. I'm 5 contracts short in coffee. The account size of CFTC trading strategy is $523,000. Here you can see the equity curve of CFTC trading strategy. And here we go. Also, I made a trade in Euro FX. I risked 1% of my CFTC trading account and made a loss of $4,532 with this trade. Next trade, platinum. This was a open position from the week before the last week. As you can see, the price hit the price target and I made a profit of $19,840. Next trade, coffee. This is a open position. As you can see, I already traded coffee short. I was stopped out, but the conditions for a short trade are still valid. Therefore, I decided to re-enter this market and I opened a new short trade in this market with 5 short contracts. That's it for today. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you profitable trades. So this was a losing week, but we are in trading and losses is the part of the game. Very important. All my losses were created or were produced by trading strategy. There were no errors. Therefore, what I have to do is to continue to implement the trading strategy and to be aware of risk and money management. Risk management is the key to success in trading. Your Max Schultz. See you next week.